Here I am explaining some miscellaneous examples here. Okay, in this case, the first example, if A, B, C are in AP, find the value of this determinant here. Okay, in this case, here A, B, C are in AP here. So there is a formula here. If A, B and C are in AP, then the middle term here B is equal to A plus C divided by 12. It is a arithmetic mean here. Then take it to this side here. So 2B is equal to A plus C, and take it to B right hand side here. We get A plus C minus 2B. It gives a 0. Therefore, here adding these two here, first row and the third row, multiply second row by 2 here and subtract here, then we get a 0. Okay, therefore, very simple method here. R1 gives here R1 plus R3, sum of first and the third row here, minus 2 into second row. Okay, therefore, only first row changes here. Second and the third row element keep as it is. So second row elements are 3y plus 5, then 6y plus 8, then 9y plus b, then 4y plus 6, then 7y plus 9, then 10y plus c, like this. Okay, so adding that here 2y plus 4 plus 4y plus 6 plus 4y plus 6, then minus of 2 into this term 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5. Here 2y plus 4y becomes 6y. 6 plus 4 becomes 10 plus 10 here. Take it to inside here. 2 3s are 6, minus 6y. 2 5s are 10, minus of 10. It becomes a 0. Yes, this is a 0. Similarly, sum of this here 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7, 7y plus 9, 7y plus 9, minus 2 into this term here. So minus of 2 into, so 6y plus 8. Here 5 plus 7, 12 here, and here 2 6 are 12. Get cancels here. 7 plus 9, 16. 2 into 8 are 16. Get cancels. So this becomes what here? It is a 0. So this is a 0. Similarly, this plus this here, 8y plus a, 8y plus a, plus 9, 10y plus c, plus 10y plus c, minus 2 into this here, minus of 2 into 9y plus b. Therefore, 8y plus 10y 18 here, and 9 2s are 18, 18 and 18 cancels here. Then a plus c minus 2b becomes 0 here, because ABC are in AP. So this is 0. Here first two elements are 0 here. Yes, the value of the determinant is 0. So 0 is the answer. Show that determinant of y plus z whole square xy zx, xy x plus z whole square and yz xz yz x plus y whole square is equal to 2xyz into x plus y plus z whole square here. In this case, multiply first row by r1 here, second row by y, first row means r1 by x, r2 by y and r3 by z, and divide by x y z here. Okay, meaning here multiplying and dividing, multiplying and dividing r1, r2, r3 by x, y, z respectively. If you multiply x here, you divide x outside. If you multiply y here, then you divide y outside. If you multiply z, then you divide z outside here. Means so LHS is equal to, LHS means this is determinant, is equal to 1 upon x, y, z into determinant of, I am multiplying this first row by x here. Therefore x into y plus z whole square, then x into x become x square here, x square y, z into x, z x square here, multiplier by y, x y square, then y into x plus z whole square here, then multiply by y square z here, multiply by z here, x z square, then y z square, then z into x plus y whole square here. Okay, now take x common from first column, second from y, third by z here. Therefore taking common factor, taking a common factors x, y and z from, so C1, C2, C3 respectively. Here x is a common, here y is a common, here z is a common here. Therefore x, y, z keep outside here. X, y, z divided by x, y, z here into determinant of. Then here y plus z whole square. Then y square. Then z square here. Then x square. X plus z whole square. Then z square here. Then x square, y square, and x plus y, it's a square. Here x, y, z and x, y, z get cancels here. These get cancels. Then C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1 here. C2 gives C2 minus C1, and C3 gives C3 minus C1 here. Therefore this is equal to determinant of. Here first column element keep as is, y plus z whole square, then y square and z square here. This column minus this column, so x square minus of y plus z whole square, then x plus z whole square minus of y square here, z square minus z square becomes 0. Then this minus this here, so x square minus of y plus z, it's a square here, y square minus y square is a 0. Then this minus this here, so x plus y whole square minus of z square, a minus of z square. So next you know a square minus b square formula. Here a square minus of b square is equal to a plus b into a minus bs. This is the formula. Therefore x square minus y plus z whole square. So this can be written as only this term here, x plus y plus z and x minus of y plus z here. Okay, this term can be written in this form here, and this term can be written as x plus y plus z into x minus y plus z here. Okay. Therefore, here from these two terms here, okay, and even here also x plus z whole square minus y square is there. You write this one as x plus z plus y and x plus z minus y. X plus z minus of y. And here this term can be written as x plus y plus z here. Then x plus y minus of z. Okay, we are using that formula. You just observe here. From these two means this one and this one here. X plus y plus z here also x plus y plus z here. So x plus y plus z is a common factor. And from these two means these two terms here. From this one and this one here. From these two, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z here. So x plus y plus z is common factor from second and third column here. Therefore, this is equal to, you can write here x plus y plus z whole square into determinant of. The first column write as it is here. Y plus z whole square, then y square and z square here. Here x plus y plus z common factor, therefore x minus y plus z here. X minus of y plus z is the remaining term. Then here from this one means here x plus z minus y. X plus z minus of y remaining term. And here is a 0 is there. So write here 0 as it is. Similarly, from this means here x minus y plus z here. X minus of y plus z and 0 is there. So write 0 as it is. And here this becomes x plus y minus z here. X plus y minus of z here. X plus y minus z. Okay. Then here R1 minus sum of these two. So R1 gives here R1 plus R1 minus of. Okay. R1 minus of R2 plus R3. Therefore, only factor changes here. X plus y plus z whole square here is plus again. X plus y plus z whole square. Right, this one as it is here. So determinant of. So first element write as it is here. First element write as it is. Y plus z. Only first changes here. Second and third row keep as is. So y square. Then x plus z minus y. X plus z minus of y. And this is 0. Second element keep as is. And here z square. Z square. Then it is a 0. Then write this one here. X plus y minus of z is. second and third row keep as it is here. Only first row changes here. Okay. Now you observe here. Here y plus z whole square. Y plus z whole square minus of y square plus z square here. Y square plus z square. Y plus z whole square is a y square plus z square plus 2yz minus of y square minus z square here. Here y square and z square get cancels here. Remaining is a 2yz here. So 2y into z here. 2yz. Okay. Then here this minus sum of these two means this minus this here. Okay. Therefore x minus y minus z here. Minus y minus z minus of x plus z minus y. X plus z minus of y. Take a minus inside the bracket here. X minus y minus z minus x minus z plus y. Then minus y plus y cancels here. Plus x minus x cancel. Minus z is minus 2z here. It is a minus of 2z. So similarly, here this minus sum of these two means here minus y and minus y remaining here. So it is a minus of 2y. Okay. So minus of 2y. It is the remaining term here. Okay. There are R1 minus of R2 plus R3. Use this determinant here. Then this is equal to, okay, this is equal to, here multiplying C1 by 1 upon y and adding to the C2 here. Okay, means multiply here by y and adding here, then this becomes a 0 here. Therefore, C2 gives C2 plus 1 upon y into C1 here. Okay. Similarly, if you divide here by z and adding here, then this becomes a 0. So C3 gives here C3 plus 1 upon z into C1 here. Therefore, this is equal to x plus y plus z whole square here into determinant of. Only second and third column changes here. Second and third column, first column element keep as this. 2yz y square and z square here. Then here multiply first column by 1 upon y, means divide by y here. Divide it by y. Okay, so look here. Here divide C1 by y. Means here this is C1 here, first column. If you divide by y here, the remaining 2z and adding to the second column is this element here. 2z minus 2z becomes a 0 here. Then here divided by y, remaining only y, adding here. Minus y plus y cancels, then remaining is x plus z here. Then divided by y here and adding to this one. So z square divided by y. Z square divided by y. Next, divide C1 by z and adding to the third column. Divided by z here, z and z cancels, remain 2y. 2y minus 2y becomes a 0 here. It is a 0. Then here divided by z here and adding to this term, y square by z here. Y square divided by z. Divide here by z, remaining 1z and adding to this term here. Minus z plus z cancels, remaining is x plus y. Remaining term is x plus y. Okay. Now you expand that determinant here. So x plus y plus z whole square keep as it is here. X plus y plus z whole square write as it is into bracket 2 into yz here. 2yz into this here. x plus z into x plus y minus of this term into this term here, y square upon z here, y square divided by z into z square upon y, z square divided by y. Then here is 0 here. 0 into any term is a 0, so second term is 0. Even here also 0. 0 into any term becomes a 0. Both term becomes a 0, 0. Now you simplify. Therefore, this equal to x plus y plus z whole square into bracket. Then 2yz is there. So right here 2yz into x into x becomes a x square here. X into y, xy plus xy, z into x, so xz here, z into y becomes a yz plus yz here. Then y and y cancels, z and z cancels here. Therefore, here remaining is what here? Yz. So right here plus yz here. Bracket complete here. Then plus yz and minus here. It is a minus, so right here minus. Plus yz and minus yz cancels here. And from these three terms, x is the common factor here. Therefore, this equal to x plus y plus z here whole square. Then this becomes 2xyz here. 2xyz into x plus y plus z here. Therefore, this into this becomes x plus y plus z whole cube. Therefore, this equal to 2xyz here into bracket x plus y plus z whole cube here. So this is a required result. Actually, it is cube here, not square. It is a cube here. Okay, whole cube is there. So LHS equal to RHS here. Okay, here use the product of these two matrices here to solve the system of equations here. The system of linear equations here. So these linear equations can be written as the system of equations can be written as A into x is equal to B, where A is equal to the matrix here 1 minus 1 2. So 1 minus 1 2 here. Then 0 is a 0. Then it is a 2 here. Minus of 3. Then 3 minus of 2 here and a plus of 4 is a matrix here. Then x is equal to x y z here, variables x y z are the variables here, and b is equal to the column matrix here 1 1 and 2 here. So 1 1 and 2. Okay, take this one as result number 1 here. Now take this product here. Okay, now the matrix here. So 1 minus 1 2 here. Then 0 2 minus of 3 here. Then 3 minus 2 4. Same matrix here. Okay. Into the next matrix here minus 2 0 1 minus 2 0 1 here. Then 9 plus 2 minus of 3. Then 6 1 minus of 2 here. Okay, then this is equal to multiply the matrices here. Multiply row with the column here. 1 into minus 2 becomes a minus of 2 here. Minus 1 into 9, minus of 9 here. And 2 6 are 12 plus 12. Multiply this row with the column here. 1 into 0 becomes a 0 here. Minus 1 into 2 minus of 2. 2 into 1 becomes 2 here plus 2. Multiply this row with the column here. 1 into 1 becomes 1. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 here. 2 into minus 2 is a minus of 4. Multiply this row with the column. 0 into minus 2 becomes a 0. 2 into 9, 18 here. So plus 18. 6 threes are 18 here. So minus of 18. Then 0 into this 0 becomes a 0. 2 twos are 4. So plus 4. Minus 3 into 1. Minus of 3. Minus 3. Multiply with this column here. 0 into 1 becomes a 0. 2 threes are 6. Minus of 6. 3 twos are 6 here. Plus 6. Then multiply this with the column. 3 twos are 6 here. Minus 6. 9 twos are 18. Minus of 18. 6 fours are 24. Plus 24 here. Multiply this with the column here. 3 into 0 becomes a 0. 2 twos are 4. So minus of 4 here. 4 ones are 4. So plus 4. Multiply this with the column here. 3 ones are 3. Plus 3. 2 threes are 6 here. Plus 6. And 4 twos are 8. Minus of 8 here. Okay. Therefore, simplify. Here it is minus 2, minus 9, minus 11 plus 12 becomes 1 here. 18 cancels, it is a 0. 24 minus 24 becomes a 0. Then it is a 0 here. 4 minus 3 gives 1. 4 minus 4 becomes a 0. 4 minus 4 becomes a 0 here. Even this is also 0. And here it is a 0 here. Sorry, 1. So 6 plus 3, 9, minus 8 gives a 1 here. So its a product is a identity matrix here. So there is a definition of invertible here. Suppose A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I here. Then A is stated to be invertible. Then here B is called inverse of A. B is called inverse of A. It is denoted as A inverse here. B is equal to A inverse. Therefore, just take that result here. Here is the matrix here. It is just take A into D is equal to I here. A into, consider this matrix as the D here. D is equal to I. Therefore, this implies here D is equal to A inverse here. D is equal to A inverse. So this is a inverse of this matrix here. This is a inverse of this here. Therefore, A inverse is equal to the matrix here minus 2, 0, 1, then 9, 2 minus of 3, then 6, 1 minus of 2. Okay, you are using that definition of invertible matrix here. If A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I, then A is invertible here. Then B is inverse of A, hence B is equal to A inverse here. Therefore, it is just like A here. This is a matrix A, and consider this matrix as a D here, and this is an identity matrix here. A into D is equal to I. This implies D is equal to A inverse. Means this is a inverse of this matrix here. So A inverse is a minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6 minus 1 minus 10. So use equation 1 now. Okay, from 1 here. So x is equal to A inverse into B here. Just take A that side here, it becomes A inverse here. X equal to A inverse into B. Here A inverse is this matrix here. So minus 2, 0, 1 here. Then 9, 2 minus of 3, 6, 1 minus 2 here. Into the matrix B is this one here. So right here 1, 1 and 2 here. Okay. Then multiply row in the column here. So this is equal to 2 1s are 2 here. Minus of 2. 0 and 1 becomes 0. 2 1s are 2 here. Plus 2. 9 1s are 9. 2 1s are 2. Plus 2 here. 3 2s are 6. Minus of 6. 6 1s are 6. And 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. 2 2s are 4. Minus of 4 here. Therefore this equal to minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0 here. 9 plus 2 11. 11 minus 6 gives us 5. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4 becomes 3. It is a 3. Therefore x is this column matrix here. Therefore x, y and z here. Okay, this is a matrix x here. X is this one. Therefore x equal to 0, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 3. So this is the required result here. Okay.